All right, picture this. You're sitting with your furry friend, and suddenly you notice a subtle shift in their expression. What is your dog trying to tell you? Well, get ready to decode those adorable doggy expressions. First up, let's talk about a study that dives deep into our ability to understand our canine companions' emotions. Researchers at the University of Lincoln in the UK decided to put our emotional intelligence to the test. They flashed images of dogs sporting various expressions: fear, happiness, anger, sadness, and asked humans to guess what they were feeling. The study, titled "Human Perception of Fear in Dogs Varies According to Experience with Dogs," was published in the journal PLOS One in 2015. The participants were then asked to identify the emotional expression displayed in each photograph. The results of the study demonstrated that humans are generally adept at recognizing fear in dogs based on their facial expressions, highlighting the importance of understanding canine emotions for effective communication and interaction between humans and dogs. But wait, there's more. Over at the University of Veterinary Medicine in Vienna, another team of intrepid scientists wanted to know how our attention affects our pups' faces. The study, titled "Human Attention Affects Facial Expressions in Domestic Dogs," and published their findings in Scientific Reports in 2017. This study explored how human attention influences the facial expressions of dogs. The researchers found that dogs produce more facial expressions, particularly eyebrow movements, when they receive attention from humans compared to when they are ignored. This suggests that dogs actively use facial expressions as a form of communication with humans and adjust their expressions based on human attention cues. Other studies have demonstrated that dogs are capable of recognizing human emotions based on facial expressions and vocalizations. For example, a study published in Current Biology in 2016 found that dogs can discriminate between happy and angry human faces, indicating their ability to perceive and respond to human emotions. Dogs' facial expressions are often influenced by the social context and their relationship with humans. Research has shown that dogs modify their facial expressions and behavior based on the presence of familiar or unfamiliar humans, as well as the nature of the interaction. For example, play, training, or threatening situation. The domestication of dogs has led to changes in their behavior, including their communication with humans. Studies comparing wolves and domestic dogs have found differences in facial expressions and social behaviors, highlighting the role of human-dog coevolution in shaping canine communication. Research suggests that dogs possess advanced cognitive abilities, including empathy, theory of mind, and perspective-taking, which influence their ability to understand and respond to human emotions. For example, dogs may use facial expressions to solicit attention, express emotions, or convey their needs to humans. Understanding canine facial expressions and communication is not only important for dog owners, but also for professionals working with dogs, such as veterinarians, dog trainers, and animal behaviorists. By recognizing and interpreting subtle cues in dogs' facial expressions, professionals can assess their emotional state and provide appropriate care and support. Before we continue with dog expressions, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Now let's delve deeper into each of the facial expressions dogs use to communicate their emotions. Happy dogs show relaxed ears, soft eyes, sometimes squinty, open or slightly open mouth, sometimes with a grin, and neutral or slightly raised brows. Fearful dogs have pinned back ears, wide eyes, sometimes showing whites, closed or pulled back mouth with tense lips, and lowered or furrowed brows. Anxious dogs display tucked back ears, wide or darting eyes, avoiding eye contact, closed or partially open mouth with tense lips, sometimes licking lips, and furrowed brows. Aggressive dogs hold their ears forward or upright, have a direct and intense gaze, show snarling or tense mouth expressions, and have lowered and furrowed brows. Dogs in pain flatten their ears, may have squinting or glazed eyes, keep their mouth closed or partially open with tense lips, and show furrowed brows. By understanding these signs, you can better communicate with your dog and respond appropriately to their emotional state. While these studies provide valuable insights into canine facial expressions and communication, It's essential to acknowledge that the field of canine cognition and behavior is continually evolving, and further research is needed to deepen our understanding of how dogs express emotions through facial expressions and other forms of communication. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it with someone who might find it helpful. If you want to learn more about dogs' facial expression studies, check out the resources in the video description. Thanks for watching!